Pioneer has produced a simple, versatile, and cost-effective HVAC solution in the form of the WY-S02 4G19. This unit is designed with the latest technology and is renowned for high efficiency, comfort, and performance. It comes in various capacities, including 9,000, 12,000, 24,000, 30,000, and 36,000 BTU. The 24,000 BTU ductless air conditioner is considered the most accessible and reliable for homeowners, and our favorite pick. This size mentioned is the best option for most large rooms, and Pioneer recommends it for spaces spanning from 650 to 900 square feet. It is one of the best value and eco-friendly AC units due to its refrigerant leak detection and popularity with consumers. This Pioneer model is sleek, practical, versatile, simple to put together, and best of all, it cools the room within seconds of turning it on. All these reasons make it our #1 choice for mini-split air conditioning.